Hey guys, welcome back to Montessori Malka's channel. In case you missed our live unboxing, no worries. In this video, you will see our opinion on Wordwinder. And if you have this game or want this game or love grammar games, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to check below for the link. I have also included our unboxing of Waffle. Again, thumbs up and check the link below. And if you make it through the whole video, you will see a sneak peek on next week's game. And let me tell you a secret, it is all about social emotional learning. So let's actually check out the full game review. Guys, welcome back to Esther Malka's live video. Today we have tons of ways to gamify your classroom. We're going to start off with a review on Word Finder, and this is a language arts game. Then we're going to unbox Word Waffle, which is one of my personal, I have the other version so far, loved it. And then I'm going to show you next week's game, which is focusing on social emotional learning. So without waiting, let's get started. All right, so Word Finder, what do I think? I think this game is actually really cute and has a lot of potential. You basically lay out the tiles in a grid, as you could see here, and then you have to wind your words around, and whoever has the most words at the end wins. So it's a really, really simple game. And just this alone, I kind of enjoyed it. We actually played two new versions, kind of. We allowed the different tiles to go on top of each other's spaces. So for example, let's say I did the word L-I-V-E, live, and then somebody else wanted to do 5 and use my I. Well, then the goal of the game was actually, we changed the scoring just a tad bit, who can actually come up with the most words. And the key was you always had to use one word that wasn't covered. So we kind of just made it more learning, more academic, and for, let's say, a younger child who is first starting out with letters, the word fan and pan would be acceptable, but they'd only end up with 3 points. Whereas a child who was more advanced in language arts could use the word, like let's say window, and gain more points. So this was a game, like I said, just a small tweak to the rules, which allowed my students to really grow in the learning and take their phonics and spelling to the next level. So that was a huge plus. So this game is, you can play it as is, or you can hack it to fit the needs of your students. And like I said, I differentiate. So I have students who are beginners to students who are advanced, and this game allowed everyone to play. Which, speaking about a game that allows everyone to play, I am super excited for Word Waffle. The Word Waffle box is relatively small. Like I said, sometime this month or beginning of next month, I'm going to upload a video. Word Waffle is one of my favorite games. If you have any other versions of Word Waffle, let me know, because this is just one of many. And I'm so sad that it stops at grade 5, because I wish this kept going. I would totally get the other sets. But it's a relatively small game, just for comparison, as you could see here. It fits nicely on the shelf. The students know exactly what they're getting. They could just look at the image, pull and go. And so let's actually open it up. So I don't know if you guys agree with me, but I am one of those that keep everything in their boxes. And it's a shame because the boxes take up too much space. But Word Waffle is one of those games where, like I said, I'll show you in my video, I do actually throw out the boxes. But this box is really, it's a nice box. And this box kind of got smashed in shipping. But look at this. It opens, as you can see, it's really nice. Like I said, don't just ignore the shipping issues here, but it folds open and it closes really nicely. The inset is also really nice. Look at that. You have space for your decks of cards, and then the pieces go on the bottom. So we're going to walk you through each thing. This is the first time unboxing the 5th grade set, so I'm super excited. So you have the instructions. The instructions, they were okay. I can't say, because like I said, I have a few sets. Here are the instructions. What I love, some of the learning games that I have, like I said, I differentiate, and I can have like 5 different levels at a time. And even though I know the material, I get a little bit overwhelmed. This has the answer key. So just keep it next to you, keep it on your lap, quickly scan the answer key. If you have one student who needs help and another student, is this the correct answer? You know? So you just take a sneak peek at the answer key and huge bonus. So again, it has the Waffle board, A and B. Next, you have the Word Waffle cards. These cards are all grammar based. You have a lighter set and a darker set. I guess they're level 1 and level 2. I don't know. We just actually just threw them, like I said. Oh, yeah. Okay. And these cards are really actually amazing. Look at them. So, of course, you have your full plate, which is kind of like a wild card. And I'm just going to read you some of the cards to show you the brilliance of these cards. There are only 3 seats available for the concert. What does available mean? So right over here, you have your reading comprehension, context clues. Another card is, George's science fair project is challenging, and he has been working on it for 3 weeks. However, if he blanks, fill in the blank, he will finish it on time. So again, vocabulary building. So right now we have context clues, we have vocabulary building. Again, fill in the blank. And compact soil can make it difficult for plants to grow. Which word is an antonym? So we have grammar building right here. And I can go on and on. So this deck has various skills that a 5th grader should, at this point, know. And let's look through the other deck quickly. They're pretty similar, the decks. Wait. Okay. And that's what I like to do, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But anyway, they're pretty similar, these decks, and like I said, they're all grammar based, and these have more of a 5th grade feel to it. I'm going to read a few to you. This is I believe the lighter set. The procedure for fire drills is carefully planned. What does the word procedure mean? So again, if they didn't know the word, they can actually look at the before and after and figure it out for themselves. I was afraid to try out for the soccer team. I thought I would not make it. Go for it! And we have the underlined word here. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. My dad told me. What does the underlined adage mean? So again, you have new vocabulary words. So this game is basically a vocabulary review in a box. And you got 2 different levels to play with. So totally cool here. And in terms of quality, they're pretty. The backs are pretty. And they're just like your regular typical card games. I didn't find them particularly wowed. They didn't wow me, but they definitely did not disappoint. And my first set I got literally 5 years ago, so I'm pretty, impressed. They still hold up, and like I said, I'll make a video, post that, and then you will see how we play Word Waffle. Next, you have these, I guess, scorecards. You have the strawberry, you have the blueberry, you have the banana, and the, kiwi. And these are also their little tiles. They're squares. They're nicely made. They did come in this nice bag, and that's also nice. And they'll just show you the storage. I wish more boxes came with storage like this. It's so simple. And like I said, I don't use this box, so such a shame. But you take the box here, you put the game pieces at the bottom, and then you put one deck over there, and you put another deck over there, and they're both orange, just different shades, and this goes on top. And the closure it's just a well-made game. I'm actually going to do something different for you guys. I'm going to learn how to play Word Waffle the Word Waffle way. Not my way, the Word Waffle way, and then I'll review Word Waffle according to this way. And then, like I said, this week is full of holidays, if you've been following me. So, new holiday today, it's like, every day is a new holiday, then just a little bit stressful for me. So, once this is all over, I know I owe you 3 unboxing reviews with all the links. I'm going to start posting them, at least, I should have one up for sure this week. So, check the link above, because I owe you 3, this one included 3 unboxing replays with the link to, and this time will be Word Waffle. If you want to get it, highly recommend it. I will also try to find the link to Wordwinder and any other game I posted, so you'll have all the links. And for next week's game, I am super excited to share with you next week's game. I am a huge fan, and give me a thumbs up like if you agree, of social emotional learning, and I find that a topic that kids often shy away from. So every time I find a game that addresses these skills, I really try hard to introduce it to my students. So moving forward for next week, we are going to check out this game. It is called CBT 123. And if we like this game, there is another level. It's ages 7 to 15, which is a bonus. It's very hard to find things for teenagers, so we'll see. I do have a few teenagers now, so if they like it, I'll let you know. But if we do like this CBT 123, or if you have, there's a blue box. So if you want to sponsor any game, feel free to reach out to me, let me know, and I will let you know how you could sponsor games. But for right now, again, links I'm going to leave to you is Wordwinder, a really fun game for language arts. You can play by the rules, or you can hack it to broaden your students' learning. I'm also going to leave a link to Waffle. I highly recommend you check out this one and every other one. And once the holidays for me kind of settle down, I'll go back to my weekly posting, and I'm going to show you how I personally hack Waffle to meet every single child and every single one of their needs. I'm talking about 1st through 5th grade in one group. Amazing. And last but not least, I'm going to leave a link to CBT 123. If you're interested, again, check it out and let me know what you think about it. And I can't wait to unbox it next week. So next week, come back for Waffle and CBT. Thank you guys so much for staying till now, and can't wait to see you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. Guys, thank you so much for making it this far in the video. 2 things. Number 1, check out all the links below because I have left a link to Wordwinder, Waffle, and CBT 123. If you liked any of these games, have any of them, or just want to chat, well then, again, check out below. Give this video a thumbs up before you do, and you will find the links to any of these games as long as they're available. Plus, don't forget to head over to our Instagram page because I have tons more content posted in our stories, in our just general videos, you name it, I've got content there for you and you don't want to miss it. And if you would like to sponsor a future game, well then feel free to reach out to me and let me know, and I'll get back to you. Can't wait to share more games with you. Happy playing.